Now we need few more thing. We need encoder. Encoder is input field from where we can enter some input inside our terminal and we can show the data inside our file. So search for encoder npm encoder npm. To be sure with the spelling, so I am checking on npm.js. Sorry, not here on the terminal. Just Control Shift V for pasting on Linux terminal. For Windows, you can just use Control V as usual. Once encoder has been installed, you need to require this const encoder is require encoder. One more thing we need to install colors, so we can colors our text inside terminal. Let me include the color as well. Colors is equal require colors. We need to include one more thing here, that is our player data. Const player data is equal require double colon for bracket data / player data. Actually, let's make it player, add player or remove player, so it will be more specify. And let me replace inside player set as well. Add player, remove player. Now inside set, let's console log everything from here. Okay, from player data dot for each. Since it is a array, so we need to use loop. It will take two parameter. You can see first one is value and second one is index number. So value, this is value comma index, and this is a callback function. Console log. At first we are going to console log our index with a comma. We also need to console log our value. Save it once again, run the command player set, then remove. It's showing all the player we have with the array. Actually, let me make this length log player data dot length, so it will show how many player we have. Length. Next we are going to use our encoder. Const index number is equal encoder. Since this returns a promise, so we need to use await dot prompts, and it's saying it will ask a question, initial answer and potential. Let me show in the documentation. They use as an array, and inside array place your question here. Okay, so let's use that array here, and inside array we'll have a object. First parameter will be type. This is type of number, we want number input. Next, name would be player. Next, message, what message we want to show to the user when he inputs something. Once you do this, next we are going to use the same functionality. Before that, let me console log a line break. Player data array, we are going to remove on player. For that, we need to use a function splice, splice. First, the start number, that is index number, and since this index number is in array format, we need to specify. By using player, we can specify player, comma, player means this name. Okay, this name should be matched with this. And the next option is for delete count, how many items you want to delete. I want to delete only one item. Okay, once it is removed, once again we want to show the player data. So let's use this line. Once again, use the command player set remove. It is asking for enter the index number which you want to remove from player set. Let's enter the number of 2. This 2 has Chris Gale, so let's enter true, and you see there is no Chris Gale inside this player set.